In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor so you can access all the tools needed to build and customize your blog. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Add Apps icon. It looks like a small grid, and this is where Wix keeps extra features you can add to your site. Click that icon, then use the search bar to look for Wix blog. When it appears, click Add to Site. Wix will automatically install the main parts of the blog for you, including the blog feed page and the individual blog post pages. This saves a lot of setup time and gives you a ready-made structure to work with right away. After the blog has been added, click on the blog section in your editor. Then choose Manage Posts. From there, click Create New Post to start writing your first article. This is where your content comes to life. Add a catchy title that clearly tells readers what your post is about. Then write your content using Wix's built-in text editor. The editor gives you helpful formatting options so you can insert images, videos, and dividers to make your post more engaging and easier to read. Before publishing, take a moment to optimize your post for search engines. In the SEO settings, edit the URL slug so it's short, clear, and relevant to your topic. Then add a meta description that summarizes the post in a natural way. This can help your blog post appear more effectively in search results and encourage more people to click. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your blog post live. Now go back to the editor so you can adjust how your blog appears on the main feed page. Click on your blog feed section and select Settings here. You can choose how you want your posts to display. Wix gives you options like grid, list, or magazine-style layouts, so pick the one that best fits the look and feel you want for your site. Next, scroll down and turn on the toggles to show the blog menu and the category menu labels. This makes it easier for visitors to browse your content and find the topics that interest them most. Finally, open the Design tab to customize the appearance of your blog. You can adjust colors, fonts, button styles, and image shapes so everything matches your personal style or brand. These design details help create a more polished and professional experience for your readers. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.